Tired of seeing your WhatsApp pictures and videos mixed with your other photos? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple and quick way to hide WhatsApp media from your gallery, keeping your personal files private. Let's dive in. Method 1. Hide WhatsApp media from gallery for all chats. So open WhatsApp, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Settings. Now find Chats and tap on it. In here, you'll find a setting called Media Visibility being toggled on. Simply toggle this to the off position. This will prevent newly downloaded WhatsApp images and videos from appearing in your gallery, and it will be eligible for all your chats. Method 2. Hide specific chats media. If you want to hide media from a specific chat or group, you can follow this method. So open WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to hide the media of. Tap on the contact or group name at the top. Now select Media Visibility and choose No. Then tap OK. From now on, media from this chat will no longer show in your gallery. And that's all. You now know how to hide your WhatsApp photos and videos from the gallery. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.